If you love chocolate and pizza, then you're in for a treat because today we're going to be making this heavenly chocolate pizza. To start off, you're going to mix up all these three ingredients. Give this a quick mix and then set this aside for 10 minutes. And now you're going to mix together your flour, salt and oil. And then you're going to mix in your yeast mixture till you get a dough. After that, you're going to knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 minutes. Then go ahead and grease a bowl and you're going to place your dough in it and cover it with either plastic wrap or a wet cloth. And then you're going to set this aside for about an hour to rise. Meanwhile, you can make your ganache. So you're going to add your cream to a vessel. Heat this and let this come to a simmer. When you see bubbles appearing at the side, you're going to switch off the flame and add in your chocolate. Dip it in using a spoon and you're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you're going to stir it and your ganache is going to be smooth and creamy. And then it's time to roll out your pizza base. And then you're going to poke some holes in the pizza base to let any air escape while baking. And then pour on your chocolate ganache. And after that is done, you're going to brush the crust with some melted butter and then place your pizza in a preheated oven at 240 degrees Celsius and you're going to bake it for 15 minutes. The smell of the pizza once it's done baking is just divine. And then you can go ahead and slice it up. You could also top the pizza with some chocolate chips or nuts. And then dig in because that's all that is left to be done. The crust of the pizza is nice and crisp and it is soft on the inside and the chocolate just melts in your mouth. It is a wonderful combination that you are going to absolutely fall in love with. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and I will see you soon.